Hello students, in this video you will learn about halogenation. What is halogenation? Let's see the statement of halogenation. The reaction of alkane with halogen in presence of UV light or heat leads to formation of haloalkane or alkyl halide via free radical mechanism. It's called as halogenation. Of alkane. Okay, so what is the statement of halogenation? The reaction of alkane with halogen in presence of UV light or heat leads to formation of haloalkane or alkyl halide via the free radical mechanism is called as halogenation of alkane. So let's see the general reaction of halogenation. Okay, take any alkane. Okay, this is your alkane. It is your halide, UV light or heat, it form RX, means alkyl halide. So this is your general reaction. Take any example of this. Okay, so I will take one example. This is your methane molecule. It's react with halogen or it's react with chloride in presence of UV light at 400 degrees Celsius. It forms methyl chloride and HCl as a side product. So let's see the mechanism of this reaction. Okay, let's see the mechanism of this reaction. There are 3 steps involved in mechanism of halogenation reaction. First step is initiation, next step is chain propagation, and last step is chain termination. Okay, so in step first, what happened? The formation of free radical by homolytic fission to form chlorine free radical. Okay, what happened in first step? The formation of free radical form in a first step. Okay, so like this is your Cl2 in presence of UV light. What happened? By homolytic fusion, the breakdown of this molecule and form chlorine free radical. Okay, chlorine free radical. Step second. In step second, the homolytic fusion of CH bond of methane, means carbon hydrogen bond of methane is break down by homolytic fusion and form methyl free radical. Okay, so this is your methane. Okay, and this is your chloride free radical. So the homolytic fusion of carbon and hydrogen bond are take place, and this chlorine molecule abstract hydrogen from methane and form methyl free radical. Okay, and HCl. Okay, so this is your second step. In second step, what happened? Methyl free radical are formed by using homolytic fusion or by homolytic fusion. Next step, step third. What happened in step third? In this step, reaction occur between free radicals, means reaction occur between methyl free radical and chlorine free radical and form a product, but in this step no free radical are formed. Okay, so what happened in this step? This is your methyl free radical and this is your chlorine free radical. So this chlorine free radical attack here and form final product. Name of this product is methyl chloride. Okay, so this is overall halogenation reaction. So what happened in first step? In first step, the homolytic fusion of halide molecule and form halide free radical or chlorine free radical. In second step, this chlorine free radical attack on or abstract proton from methane molecule, and homolytic fusion of carbon and hydrogen bond of methane is take place and form methyl free radical. Next step is what happened in next step? The methyl free radical and chlorine free radical are react and form methyl chloride. Thank you.